everyone, welcome to DIVYA GANITHA. In this video, let us discuss the solution of Kcet 2024. Now, let's get started.
So, as this is a GP, the 4th, 10th and 6th term, which is X, Y and Z, are also will be in GP. As the difference between the terms is same, the term 4th, 10th and 16th term will also be in GP. Therefore, the answer will be y is equal to root of xz. That is option A. So in this problem they have given A is a square matrix and I is an identity matrix. Then I minus A whole cube. Also they have given the condition A square is equal to A. So if we expand this, I minus A whole cube will be I cube minus A cube minus 3IA into I minus A. Right? So I cube is nothing but I minus A cube. We have A square equal to A. That means A cube is nothing but A square into A, which is nothing but A into A. That is A square again. A square means again A. Therefore A cube value is also A. Therefore in place of A cube we can write A minus 3 I into A means A into I minus A. If we multiply this, 3A minus into minus plus 3A square, which is nothing but again 3A. Therefore get cancelled. Therefore the answer is option D, that is I minus. So A and B are the matrices such that AB is an identity matrix. Identity matrix means it should be a square matrix and product should be defined. They have given the order of matrix B as 3 cross 4. Therefore, the order of A will be 4 cross 3. Then only the product is defined and the product will be a square matrix. Therefore, answer is option B. In this problem, they have given matrix A is of order 3 cross 3 and also they have given the value of determinant of A. Then we have to find the value of determinant of 3 into A inverse. We know that determinant of A inverse will be 3 cube into determinant of A inverse. If we take 3 common from the determinant, it will be 3 cube into determinant of A inverse. That is 3 cube into 1 by determinant of A. And also they have given the value of determinant of A, that is 3. Therefore 3 cube into 1 by 3, which is nothing but 9. That is option C. So they have given a matrix A. And also A power 6 is equal to K into A dash. Clearly we can say that A is nothing but A dash. If we take the transpose, the matrix will be same. Therefore, let us check what is A square. A square is nothing but A into A. Then we get 2, 2, 2, 2, which is nothing but 2 into matrix A. If we take 2 common, it will be 1, 1, 1, 1, which is matrix A. If we consider A cube, then it will be A square into A. Then we get 4, 4, 4, 4, which is nothing but 2 square into A. For A square, we have 2 power 1 into A. For A cube, we have 2 square into A. And for A, that means A power 1, we have 2 power 0 into A. Right? Therefore, A power 6 is nothing but 2 power 5 into A. 1 less than the power of A. Therefore, 2 power 5 is nothing but 32. Therefore, answer is 32. Option D. So they have given a matrix which satisfies the equation A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0. Then we have to find A inverse. For that, multiply the whole equation by A inverse. Then A square into A inverse means A minus 5. A into A inverse means I plus 7. I into A inverse means 7 into A inverse, which is equal to null set 0. So if we shift this, 7 into A inverse is equal to 5i minus a. Therefore, a inverse is nothing but 1 by 7 into 5i minus a. That is option D. So they have given B is the adjoint of the matrix A and also determinant of A is given. Then determinant of B, which is nothing but determinant of adjoint of A, which is same as determinant of A. Actually the formula is determinant of A power n minus 1. As the order of matrix is 2, determinant of B will be same as determinant of A. That means the value is 2. If we simplify this determinant, it will be alpha minus 3 is equal to 2. Therefore, the value of alpha is 5. That is option A. So, in this problem, they have given a matrix A as well as determinant of A cube. So, determinant of A cube is 125 means determinant of A value will be equal to 5. Right? So, matrix A is given. If we find determinant of A, it is k square minus 2 square means 4. Therefore, 5 is equal to k square minus 4. If we shift this, k square is equal to 9. Therefore, value of k is plus or minus 3. That is option E. In this problem, they have given two equations. If you observe carefully, both the equations are one another same. Just if we divide the second equation by 2, then we get the first equation. Actually, there are no two equations, there is only one equation. If we have one linear equation in two variables, then the number of solutions is infinite. Because if we substitute the value for x, the values of y will be changing. Therefore, there are infinitely many solutions. That is option A. So, in this problem, they have given a plus lambda b is perpendicular to c. That means their dot product, that is a plus lambda b dot c will be equal to 0. If we find a plus lambda b, the vector will be 1 plus lambda into I cap plus 2 minus lambda into j cap plus 1 plus 4 lambda into k cap. Dot c. Look at the vector c. It is I cap plus j cap plus k cap. That means dot product will be this. That is equal to 0. That is 1 plus lambda plus 2 minus lambda plus 1 plus 4 lambda, that is equal to 0. Plus lambda and minus lambda will get cancelled. 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is 4. If we shift 4, it will be minus 4. Therefore, the value of lambda is minus 1. That is option B. Here they have given the value of magnitude of A, magnitude of B as well as A dot B. Then we have to find the value of magnitude of A cross B. We have a direct formula for this, that is magnitude of A cross B whole square plus A dot B whole square, that is equal to magnitude of A square into magnitude of B square. If we substitute the values, A cross B is to be found. So, A dot B whole square means it is 144, that is equal to magnitude of A square 10 square, that is 100, 2 square 4, therefore it is 400. If we shift the term, 400 minus 144, which is 256. So, A cross B whole square is 256. Therefore, the value of magnitude of A cross B is 16. That is option C. In this problem, they have given the angles made by the line with respect to x, y and z axis. We have a relation for this, that is cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma, which is equal to 1, where alpha, beta, gamma are the angle made by the line with respect to x, y and z axis. They have given two values. Therefore, alpha value is 90 degree, cos 90 is 0. Therefore, this is 0 plus cos square 60 degree means 1. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square means it is 1 by 4 plus cos square. In place of gamma, they have given theta, that is equal to 1. Therefore, cos square theta value is 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. That means cos theta value is root 3 by 2. Therefore, the angle is pi by 6 or 30 degree. That is option